Okay, I'm ready.
You're ready? Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, I've put in the recording, so we are good. All right. And so today we are going to learn about Schedule F for farming. Okay, Schedule F for farming, but we'll start the tax return just from the beginning so that everybody can understand what's going on. So let me check this there. Then you go to start a new return, just the normal way the way you usually start. This will be a married filing separately return. 111 22 2242 and 111 22 2242. You're creating a regular return. That's the way you will be doing. Hold on, let me take this one up here so that it doesn't interfere with us. Okay, so, and this one, we are going to give them, say, 03 16 1979, and the name is John Chill 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 Chill. Oops, Chili. And this is a caregiver stroke farmer. Or food produce. Food produce. Okay, this is they are not anybody's dependent. They're not blind. They're not disabled. And their home phone number is 206-539-8520. 206-539-8520. Okay, and their name is John Chill at gmail.com. And yes, they want to receive a text, and we agree on that. Then we come here and Alt C, we go to Boost Mobile, preferred contact. What is the alternative? We press Alt C again for the alternatives. And this one, they want the home phone. Okay, and are they male or female? They are male. Okay, you don't have to, this is optional. You don't have to put whether they are male or female. It's optional, but it's always good. Okay, the preferred language is English. We don't have any other language anyway. We don't have any other option. They don't have an IP pin, identity protection pin. They don't have one. For their driver's license is WDR from Washington.
You okay?
6
Did you shock it?
20233. Are you talking to me?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot to mute. It's my daughter.
Okay. All right. So this Washington 02 2022 and 03 16 2028 is when the ID is expiring. Is a driver's license. They are filing separately. And did you live together at any time during the year? Yes. So we put an X there. If so, did you live together during the final 6 months? Yes. And did the spouse have no income, is not filing a return, and cannot be claimed as a dependent on another person's return? What happened here? You put X. Okay. Okay. It won't allow us until I think let's put the name here. The social security number for the spouse is 000-111-222-2244. Oops. 44. And the date of birth for the spouse is 01/14/1975. And the name is Judy Chilchilo. Okay. And the occupation for Judy is homemaker. She doesn't work, she stays at home. She is a homemaker, or rather, actually, yeah, she is a homemaker. Okay, she's not a dependent. She is not blind. She's not disabled. Her phone number is no, we don't need to put all that, surely. We don't even need to put this, by the way. We don't even need to put the occupation. We only need that information. That's the only information we need for marriage filing separately. Okay. Then, okay. One of the students is saying they will catch up with us later. Okay, so, and here we go. So here what you need is the home address. And the home address is 203 Meadow Avenue North. And it's in Tacoma 98444. It's Tacoma, Washington. Tacoma, Washington. Okay. We change that. I'm writing it down on my paper just in case I give you that, just in case I scan it to you. All right, so Tacoma, Washington. They're not in the military. Hold on, I work from 9 to 6. That's why my attendance is so tricky. That's okay. That's okay. That's in order. Yeah. Okay, so they're not in the military. We don't have any bank information from them. So they don't have any kids. So the other point that we go to is enroll in Audit Allies audit assistance for this return. They say no. We don't want them to enroll in audit assistance. Then remote signature, does the taxpayer consent to receive and sign their documentation remotely? Yes. So we put a yes. Include remote signature charge on the invoice? Yes. Okay, so they are not, most of the people that you're going to do their return, you're going to do them remotely. You're going to interview them remotely. Okay, they will give you the information or they will send you an email with the information. So that's how you're going to get the information. That way, they are going to sign their documents remotely. And there is a charge for that, for the remote signature. It's $5 per person. Okay, now once you are live here, we are going to add a form because we have actually today we have on this one, we have this particular return because we are going to do two different returns. I'll tell you the other one later on. So this one, we are going to add a W-2 since they are a caregiver and they also do the farming. Okay, so that's a W-2, so we go ahead and add, and it's 61132826. Okay, and the name of the company is Rest Care Washington. Rest Care Washington Inc. It's 805 North Whiting on Parkway. North Whittington Parkway, okay. And it's in Kentucky, 40222. This Louisville. KY. Okay, the wages are $59,993. Okay, that's what I have. Then the federal income tax withholding is 6147. Enter. All right. And it's all equal. There's no state. There's nothing else here on this. So it's all covered. Okay. Doesn't have state because Washington doesn't charge income taxes. So we are there right now. Okay. So the next thing now is to add the form for Schedule F. Okay, so form for Schedule F. Schedule F, where are you? Profit and loss from farming. Okay, profit or loss from farming. And today we are going to do a loss so that you can understand what it means, because sometimes somebody may start a business the first 1 or 2 years and they are allowed to lose actually, because sometimes you start a business, you don't get an income, but you have spent your money. Okay, so the first 3 years you are allowed to do that, to lose. So today we are going to do a loss so that you can understand. So food produce, we are going to look for the activity code, which we are going to do Alt C. Okay, and we have oil seed, grain farming, vegetable and melon farming, fruit, tree, other crop farming, greenhouse, nursery for floriculture production, beef cattle ranching, cattle feed, dairy cattle, milk production. Let me see what they have here. 1120 vegetable. Theirs is vegetable. So you're going to use this one, vegetable and melon farming. Okay, that's what you're gonna use. Okay. And it's cash. Cash, so we put the next there. The next point we go to, some of this, you don't need to answer some of them. You don't have to. But if you want to go through them, you can. Did you make any money, any payments in 2023 that would require you to file forms 1099, just the same as we did for the Schedule C? If yes, did you or would you file all required form 1099 to them? They didn't. They didn't give any. So it's a no-no. So, and W2G allocable wages allocable to qualified business income. No. So check here if claiming an exemption from self-employment taxes. So yeah, you can claim an exemption, but most of the income for either Schedule C or farming is, you have to pay self-employment taxes because you are self-employed. Okay. So was this activity disposed during the year? No, it's still work. It's going on. Prior year unallowable loss, we didn't have any. Is this a single person disregarded entity or LLC, state requirement only? Now, this is a sole proprietor. This person is just doing taxes. I mean, they are the ones who are, they have they are renting a garden. So they are renting a garden, so that's how they are able to do that. Let me see if I can be able to. Those notifications. Need to get rid of them. Okay, good. All right. Now you're done that. Okay, so the sales of stock, this is where 1A is sales of stock or other resale items. So this person is selling other items. So they are selling produce. Number 2 actually is where we shall put our sales of rice stock, produce, grains, and other products you raised. Okay, this person received $3,697. That's how much they received the whole year for the crops that they planted. But on number 11, car and truck expenses, we don't have that. But we have chemicals. That's $714. We have fertilizers at $446. We have insurance on line 20. So it's according to what the taxpayer is telling you. Because this one, we don't have the 1099. This is what they received in cash after they went to sell the crops that they produced, or rather the vegetables that they produced. That's what they got. So they are telling you, they have written it down somewhere. So they have given you a paper that you can read. And that's what I'm putting in here. So then they rent